painting gave me an amazing insight because I learned while experimenting with some colors. I sat the whole night and painted a picture. The next day it was full of fungus, oil color. I didn't know what happened, what went wrong. It was an amazing painting for me, but something went wrong. Then I started thinking about the colors I used and mixed. Then I knew that I was using titanium white and cadmium yellow, something like that. So I started referring. And unfortunately, I got a book from the chemistry department of Royal School of London. I referred to this particular problem in that book, and they told me never mix titanium and cadmium. Because when you mix cadmium with titanium, it percolates into the into the granules or grains of titanium, and it starts expanding, and overnight cracks may appear. No, that was one way I learned chemistry. I'm not a chemist at all. So my painting practice introduced me to some color, the chemistry of certain colors. Then I also learned, I read that book, I also learned emerald green is highly toxic. The pure emerald green is a toxic color. You should never allow children to touch it with fingers, because it is arsenic. It is copper and arsenic. This is one way. What I'm telling is, even through painting, you can introduce children into chemistry, into physics, into mathematics. And these are certain experiences. And theater is, I think, by far the best, because theater includes all. It includes music. It includes, I'm teaching art direction now. And the children, so-called children who don't show any interest in academic, pursuits and academic lessons, they are all for this kind of practice when we come to actual practical lessons of making miniature sets or painting something. And I realized that they have amazing theater talent. And they have also started taking photographs of so many things they see in order to make a set. They want to make a set. So I told them, whatever fascinating thing you see in life, you take photographs, you document that. And now they have started taking photographs of barber shops, of tea shops, of metro stations, railway stations and all. They open out. As you said, they open out. Theater opens out.